nice channel. So today I'm going to perform few experiments. So let's get started. So now for the first experiment, take a bowl, some dish soap. You can use any dish soap. You can add 2 tablespoons of dish soap. Now you have to add some water. And you have to mix. So now we have to add some of the mixture on some place. I'm doing this on a stool. You have to add some dish soap and spread it like this, such that it gives a soapy texture. Now you have to take a straw and you have to add some dish soap even to the ends of this straw. Now dip the straw in the mixture and blow.
3 balloons.
So there are 2 balloons over here. They keep on blasting when you keep a straw. So maximum they will be created by 2. If you have luck, even you can insert 5 bubbles in a bubble. Now we are going to do a turmeric indicator experiment. So for this experiment you will need some water, and in that water you have to add some turmeric. And you have to mix. Next, you will need a paper. Add this mixture onto the paper, and spread. So now take some detergent and water. I've made that mixture already, and mix it well. So now I will write something on this paper. See, it is turning red. You can even do this with baking soda. You can mix baking powder with baking soda with water, and the same will happen. You can create greeting cards with this technique. This is due to acid-base reaction. Next, let's see what happens if we do. So now insert like this and write something. Write again on that red color one, and we will again get back yellow. See, the red is going off and it's showing light yellow color. So now we are moving on to the next experiment. So this is also an experiment based on turmeric indicator. So first you have to mix turmeric and water, and then you have to add the mixture of detergent and water. So now when you added it, the yellow mixture turned red. So if you mix it well, as you can see, it turned into red. But we added a yellow mixture, but it turned red. once again. So this is the reaction with detergent and water. So now take a lemon and squeeze it. As you are able to see, yellow is emerging back again. It's emerging back again, as you can see. So squeeze it whole. And now once again I will mix this red mixture. And see, you have the yellow mixture back again. So this is an example of turmeric indicator.